Trains have been more than machines on rails. They've been engines of change. From the steam-powered giants of the 1800s to the sleek high-speed networks of today, trains have shaped economies, inspired culture, and connected the world. This is the story of how trains and their miniature counterparts, model railroads, help build the modern age. The story of the train begins in the early 19th century, during the Industrial Revolution. In 1804, British inventor Richard Trevithick built the first steam-powered locomotive. It was heavy and experimental, but revolutionary. Then in 1829, George Stephenson introduced the rocket, a faster, more reliable design that proved trains could transform industry and travel. By the 1830s, railways began connecting cities across Britain, and soon the idea spread worldwide. Steam railroads became the arteries of the industrial world, moving coal, steel, and people at a scale never seen before. In the United States, the completion of the Transcontinental Railroad in 1869 linked the East and West Coast for the first time. It reshaped commerce, migration, and even the country's identity. In Europe, railways connected cities across national borders, strengthening trade and uniting regions. Railroads created new towns, industries, and opportunities. They turned weeks-long journeys into days and changed how people understood distance and time. For much of the 19th and 20th centuries, trains symbolized progress itself. As real trains transformed the world, miniature ones captured the imagination. In the late 1800s, companies like Marklin in Germany and Lionel in the United States began producing toy trains. Early models were simple and mechanical, clockwork-powered toys designed for children. With the arrival of electricity, model trains became more sophisticated. By the mid-20th century, model railroading evolved into a creative and technical hobby for adults as well as children. Enthusiasts built miniature worlds, complete with mountains, towns, and working signals, blending with art. Trains quickly became cultural icons. They appeared in literature, film, and music as symbols of progress, freedom, and movement. The sound of a distant whistle became a part of everyday life, inspiring songs, stories, and memories. Model railroading reflected this same fascination. It brought generations together, parents teaching children, clubs sharing ideas, and collectors preserving history. The hobby encouraged problem solving, craftsmanship, and a respect for engineering. For many, it was, and still is, a way to connect with history in miniature form. Today's trains are cleaner, faster, and more advanced than ever. High-speed rail systems like Japan's Shinkansen and France's TGV redefine modern travel. Meanwhile, model railroading continues to evolve, now using digital command control, 3D printing, and computer design to create hyper-realistic layouts. What began as a mechanical toy has become a blend of art, technology, and history, a reflection of how far we've come and how we continue to innovate. The railway revolution transformed every aspect of human life, from how we build cities to how we experience distance and time. And model railroading keeps that story alive, turning history into something you can see, touch, and control. From steam engines to high-speed trains, from factory floors to basement layouts, the spirit of the rails endures. It's a story of innovation, imagination, and connection that continues to move us forward. You've been watching the history of trains and model railroading here on the BMR Trains YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.